Where did you go?
I went to the market.
Who went with you?
My brother went with me.
What did you buy from the market?
We bought toys and chips from the market.
How did you all go?
We went by walking.
When you came back,
We came back by bus.
did you find everything you needed at the market?
Yes, we found everything their daily routine.
What did you have for dinner last night?
We had chicken for dinner last night.
Where was your dad yesterday?
My dad went to the office.
What did you do yesterday?
I watched TV.
Did you cook dinner last night?
Yes, I cooked pasta.
What time did you wake up yesterday?
I woke up at 5:30 a.m.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I had cereal, school and studies.
What language did you study at school?
I studied English.
Did you visit the student lounge last week?
Yes, I visited the student lounge.
Did you clean your room this morning?
No, I didn't clean it.
Where did you go on the weekend?
I went to the park.
Did you take a cooking class?
Yes, I learned to cook.
Did you study English last night?
Yes, I studied for an hour at home.
Did you clean the house yesterday?
Yes, I cleaned the living room and kitchen.
What did you cook for lunch today?
I cooked rice and vegetables.
Where did you put the keys?
I put them on the table.
Did you water the plants this morning?
Yes, I watered them early today.
Who helped you with the chores?
My sister helped me with the chores.
Did you take out the trash last night?
No, I forgot to take it out shopping.
Did you buy any clothes yesterday?
Yes, I bought a new dress.
Where did you go shopping?
I went to the mall.
What did you purchase from the electronics store?
I purchased a new phone.
Did you find any good deals?
Yes, I found some discounts.
Who helped you at the store?
The store manager helped me.
Did you go to the grocery store yesterday?
No, I didn't go there yesterday.
Where did you travel last summer?
I traveled to the beach.
Who went with you on the trip?
My family went with me.
Did you enjoy your vacation?
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
What activities did you do?
There we swam and built sandcastles.
How long did you stay there?
We stayed there for 3 days.
Did you take many pictures?
Yes, I took a lot of pictures of the weather.
Was it sunny yesterday?
No, it was rainy yesterday.
Did you bring an umbrella?
Yes, I brought one with me.
How was the weather this morning?
It was cloudy and cool.
Did it snow last winter?
Yes, it snowed a lot last winter.
What did you do during the storm?
I stayed inside and read a book.
Did you check the weather forecast today?
Yes, it said it would be sunny later.
Did you visit the doctor yesterday?
Yes, I had a checkup for medicine.
Did the doctor prescribe?
The doctor prescribed some antibiotics.
Did you exercise this morning?
Yes, I went for a jog.
Did you eat healthy food today?
Yes, I had a salad and some fruit.
How did you feel last night?
I felt a bit tired.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, I woke up several times at work.
Did you finish your project on time?
Yes, I submitted it yesterday.
Who helped you with the project?
My colleague helped me.
Did you attend the meeting yesterday?
Yes, I attended the afternoon meeting.
What tasks did you complete today?
I finished the report and sent some emails.
Did you work late last night?
Yes, I worked until 8 p.m.
Who did you meet with today?
I met with my manager of education.
Did you study for the exam last night?
Yes, I studied for 3 hours on what subject?
Did you find it difficult?
I found math difficult.
Did you complete your homework?
Yes, I finished it after dinner.
Where did you go to school?
I went to the local high school.
Did you understand the lesson today?
Yes, the teacher explained it well.
Who was your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher was Mr. Smith.
Did you attend the online class yesterday?
Yes, I attended it in the morning.
What book did you read for your assignment?
I read To Kill a Mockingbird.
Did you pass your final exams?
Yes, I passed all of them.
How many subjects did you study this semester?
I studied 5 hobbies.
Did you paint anything last weekend?
Yes, I painted a landscape.
What hobbies do you enjoy?
I enjoy reading and gardening.
Did you watch a movie yesterday?
Yes, I watched a comedy film.
Where did you go hiking last weekend?
I went hiking in the mountains.
Did you play any sports yesterday?
Yes, I played basketball with friends.
Who do you usually play chess with?
I usually play with my brother.
Did you bake a cake last night?
Yes, I baked a chocolate cake.
What music did you listen to this morning?
I listened to some jazz music.
Did you write in your journal yesterday?
Yes, I wrote about my day.
How often did you practice piano last week?
I practice piano every day.
Did you update your phone software?
Yes, I updated it last night on WhatsApp.
Did you edit the photo?
I used a photo editing app.
Did you charge your laptop last night?
Yes, I charged it fully.
Did you spend time on social media?
I spent about 2 hours there.
Have you downloaded any new apps recently?
Yes, I downloaded a fitness app.
Who taught you to code?
My friend taught me to code.
Did you back up your files yesterday?
Yes, I saved them to the cloud.
What website did you visit to read the news?
I visited a news website.
Have you tried any new gadgets recently?
Yes, I tried a new smartwatch.
How did you solve the computer problem?
I searched for a solution online.
Did you eat breakfast this morning?
Yes, I had toast and eggs.
What did you have for dinner last night?
I had pasta with salad.
Did you try a new recipe yesterday?
Yes, I tried making sushi.
Where did you go for lunch today?
I went to a nearby cafe.
Did you drink coffee this morning?
Yes, I had a cup of coffee.
Who cooked dinner last night?
My mother cooked dinner.
Did you like the dessert at the restaurant?
Yes, it was very delicious.
Did you use it for the soup?
I used vegetables and chicken.
Did you go out for dinner last weekend?
No, I stayed home and cooked.
How did you find the taste of the new dish?
I found it very tasty, friends.
Did you meet your friend yesterday?
Yes, we met for coffee.
What did you and your friend talk about?
We talked about our weekend plans.
Did you invite your friends over last night?
Yes, they came for dinner.
Where did you hang out with your friends?
We hung out at the park.
Did you call your friend last night?
Yes, we talked for an hour.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
Did you and your friend watch a movie together?
Yes, we watched a comedy.
How did you meet your friend?
We met at school.
Did you make any new friends recently?
Yes, I met someone new at the gym.
What did you and your friend do last weekend?
We went shopping together.
Did you exercise this morning?
Yes, I went for a run.
What did the doctor say during your checkup?
The doctor said I am healthy.
Did you take your vitamins today?
Yes, I took them after breakfast.
Where did you build for your workout yesterday?
I went to the gym.
Did you get enough sleep last night?
Yes, I slept for 8 hours.
Who gave you advice on your diet?
A nutritionist gave me advice.
Did you go to the dentist last week?
Yes, I went for a cleaning.
What did you eat for lunch today?
I had a salad and some fruit.
Did you drink enough water today?
Yes, I drank 8 glasses.
How did you feel after your workout?
I felt energized and had a good trip.
Did you travel last summer?
Yes, I visited Italy.
Where did you stay during your vacation?
I stayed in a hotel by the beach.
Did you take any photos during your trip?
Yes, I took many photos.
How did you travel to the city?
I took a train.
Did you enjoy your vacation?
Yes, I had a great time.
Who did you travel with?
I traveled with my family.
Did you try any local food on your trip?
Yes, I tried some traditional dishes.
What places did you visit during your trip?
I visited museums and historical sites.
Did you face any challenges while traveling?
Yes, I had a language barrier for.
Did you stay in the city?
I stayed for a week at work.
Did you finish the report on time?
Yes, I submitted it yesterday.
What did you work on today?
I worked on a new project.
Did you attend the meeting this morning?
Yes, I attended the meeting.
Where did you go for the business trip?
I went to New York.
Did you have a lot of work to do yesterday?
Yes, I was very busy.
Who helped you with the project?
My colleague helped me.
Did you get a promotion at work?
Yes, I was promoted last month.
What tasks did you complete today?
I completed all my tasks.
Did you take a break during work today?
Yes, I took a short break.
How did you prepare for the presentation?
I practiced and made notes while shopping.
Did you buy anything at the mall yesterday?
Yes, I bought some clothes.
What did you purchase online last week?
I purchased a new laptop.
Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, I found all the items.
Where did you go shopping last weekend?
I went to a shopping center.
Did you use any discounts or coupons?
Yes, I used a discount code.
Who did you go shopping with?
I went shopping with my sister.
Did you try on the clothes before buying them?
Yes, I tried them on.
What store did you visit first?
I visited a clothing store first.
Did you return anything you bought?
No, I kept everything.
How did you pay for your purchase?
I paid with my credit card transportation.
Did you drive to work today?
Yes, I drove my car.
What time did you catch the bus this morning?
I caught the bus at 8 a.m.
Did you ride your bike yesterday?
Yes, I rode my bike to the park.
Where did you park your car?
I parked it in the garage.
Did you take a taxi last night?
Yes, I took a taxi home.
Who gave you a ride to the airport?
My friend gave me a ride.
Did you miss the train yesterday?
No, I caught it on time.
What route did you take to work today?
I took the highway.
Did you encounter any traffic this morning?
Yes, there was a lot of traffic.
How long did it take you to get to work?
It took me 30 minutes to get to the market.